This is going to be a short video packed full of a lot of information for the homeowner. You're going to want to see this. Sometimes you just have to see it. Describing it is not enough. We're doing a 4-inch whole house roof runoff system. What that means is right from the gutter downspout, it's going to be 4-inch pipe. We have two 4-inch mains, one on each side of the house. We got a laser level because we're going through landscape beds. We're digging through bermed areas, and we have to make sure that we have 1% slope. I just wanted the homeowner and a DIYer to see this because we have all this equipment and all this muscle, and we're doing this whole house in 4-inch. Wanted to show you just what you'd be signing up for if you were to do such a thing. There's an easier way to go about it, and as a DIYer, I would strongly recommend that you'd run this in 3-inch. There's no need to run off the downspout, the gutter downspouts. You could run 3-inch and accomplish the same thing. And there's no need to run it all the way to the storm sewer. If you have to run it all the way to the storm sewer, you are going to have to go to a 4-inch main no matter what. So you can start out in 3-inch and then go to the 4-inch pipe. Now, we were under contract to build a 4-inch roof runoff system around this house. But as a DIYer, I know you don't want to pull 4-inch through all the sprinkler mains. You can see how much work this is. You can't run a 4-inch pipe over top of the sprinkler pipes. So you got to go under them. And you can't do a shallow dig to get under them because it's such a big pipe. So you got to dig really deep. It is a lot of work. I'm making videos like this for the homeowner, the DIYer. I don't want you signing up for something. You're going to play Weekend Warrior and you watch a bunch of videos where you see a bunch of men that have a lot of equipment and you're under-equipped, under-muscled, don't have the crew, and then we make it easy in a video. I'm going to point out just how hard our job really is and how the DIYer can avoid the pitfall of seeing some of these YouTube videos, thinking it looks easy, and then now they're trying to pull a 4-inch pipe through sprinkler mains. Go to a 3-inch pipe. The 3-inch pipe is so much easier to work with, and you could work with that pipe all by yourself. You don't need somebody else to help you pull the 4-inch pipe. You know, that's the problem. You need a crew. You need a crew. With 3-inch, you don't need the extra muscle. You don't need the real deep dig. You're not having such a hard time getting through those sprinkler mains because, again, the 3-inch line will either go over top of them or just beneath them. You're going to be able to dig a lot shallower to accomplish the same thing. As long as you're catching the leaves and you have a nice Cleanout leaf filter so you're not trying to fill that 3-inch pipe full of pine cones and big leaves and twigs that fall on the roof, you'll be fine. That's what the 4-inch pipe was all about from the beginning. It was one size fits all, and you could float all that big trash through it. 3-inch, no big deal. Just have something to catch those really big organic materials that build up in pipes and cause clogging. And you can see we got two guys here handling this 4-inch pipe to get everything in place. If it was 3-inch, you wouldn't need a second set of hands. Now, when you put this vented Cleanout leaf filter on, make sure that you have the pipe right to the top of the screen, but don't go below that door opening. That top door opening, don't let it stick past that. So that's how it should look. Here's the other side of the house. I'm going to show you what that looks like. We have several downspouts tied into this 4-inch pipe. We have 4-inch pipe coming off all the downspouts. Look how deep this dig had to be to get it underneath all those sprinklers. Unbelievable how much work it takes. Super, super difficult. Tough job to DIY. If this was 3-inch, it's 60% less dig, 60% less labor. All right, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. And if you have any other videos that you want me to make, leave it in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.